Hey, my name is Johan. I'm the Director of Technologies for Spartacus Technologies. We are on a mission to empower maintenance and reliability teams, and I'm going to present to you our roadmap to reliability excellence. So it's 2024 and our societies have drastically changed for the past few years, especially since the pandemic. Remember 4 years ago, some industrial facilities were forced to shut down because of the supply chain issues or even sanitary reasons. As a result of that, lots of workers lost their jobs. Some of them decided to retire. 4 years after, we are in a situation where we have a gap in manpower and knowledge. At the same time, younger workers enter the job market, and there is also a gap in their knowledge and skills. Also, do not forget that IIoT, Industry 4.0, is entering our lives at full speed. There's also a very big gap in terms of knowledge related to these new technologies and way of doing things. Also very important to understand is that the younger generations have very different expectations than the older generation of workers, and I'm including myself in that. They want more flexible work options, they want more healthcare support, and most importantly, they want a very enjoyable workplace. And lastly, another topic that industries must face is sustainability, global warming, and energy conservation issues. The public is aware of that, our politics and our society in general is aware of that, so industries must play a role in that. So what can we do as maintenance managers and maintenance professionals? We must develop our teams. We must create a safe work environment. We must create a very enjoyable environment for all of our workers. We need to focus on sustainability, energy conservations. We need to have an environment that is less reactive. So in other words, we must aim towards reliability excellence. So I've been a reliability engineer for 10 years and I've been to dozens of industrial facilities. All of these facilities suffered the same problems and same gaps and same issues. So I've built this framework towards reliability excellence. It is a framework that companies must adapt in order to consolidate their maintenance and reliability program foundation. It is a list of steps that companies and industries and manufacturing facilities must follow to achieve reliability excellence. The first step in that roadmap is establishing a vision that is pragmatic and realistic based on the economic and society context. So if I had to lay out a vision for post-pandemic organization, I would focus on the following points: less reactivity, less incidents, and less overtime for my workers. Also, focus on sustainability and energy conservation. Make sure your operations are resilient in the event of supply chain disruption. Also, make sure your employees are proud, loyal. They want to stay with you forever. IoT, Industry 4.0, Industry 5.0 is very important, but be wise about it. Only use these new technologies on very critical pieces of equipment for your operation. Do not spread your efforts just on very important pieces of equipment. For the rest, make sure you have 100% compliance on your PMs and loop tasks. This is the foundation and this is the basics of a good maintenance and reliability program.